Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing whispers in the camera world, the possibility of a Canon EOS R for 4 months. Photography circles have been buzzing about this potential addition to Canon's mirrorless lineup, and while nothing is official yet, the speculation is too interesting to ignore. Could this be Canon's bold new step between the ultra-higher resolution R5 and the action-focused R6? Let's unpack every shred of rumor, every hint of innovation, and every strategic possibility. Canon's mirrorless evolution, the R5 and R6 as the launchpad. Canon's current full-frame mirrorless range has a strong foundation, EOS R4. Stormed the market with its 4.5 MP sensor, breathtaking image quality, and cinematic 8K video that turned heads in both photography and filmmaking communities. The EOS R6, meanwhile, delivered rapid performance, low-light mastery, and an affordable route into professional mirrorless shooting. Together, they've given Canon an enviable 1-2 punch: precision detail on one side, speed and versatility on the other. Now, the rumored EOS R4 is said to occupy the middle ground, offering more detail than the R6, but without reaching the R5's pixel count. This in-between position could appeal to hybrid shooters who want higher resolution for stills, but also robust video, without paying top-tier prices. The speculations sow. Farley reports suggest a sensor somewhere around 40 megapixels. A comfortable jump from the R6's to 4 MP, yet just shy of the R5's for 5 MP, paired with what insiders claim might be a new DigX Plus processor. We could see enhancements in autofocus tracking, color depth, and low light clarity. Video capabilities are also a hot talking point. Some rumors hint at 8,000, recording up to 60 frames per second. Canon Log 2 and Log 3 support for richer dynamic range, advanced connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, plus dual card slots and pro-level weather sealing. The standout buzz? A redesigned thermal management system. Canon's R5 initially faced criticism for overheating during extended 8,000 recording. And if the R4 includes an advanced cooling solution, perhaps through heat pipes or vapor chamber technology, it could become a major selling point for filmmakers. Where would the R4 fit? Canon is careful about product placement. The R6 is the speedster. The R5 is the high-resolution and video specialist. For an R4 to earn its place, it must clearly differentiate itself without blurring the lines. However, there's a danger here. If the R4 mirrors too much of the R5's feature set while being only slightly cheaper, it might cause confusion among buyers. Likewise, if it's too close to the R6 in price, it risks competing against Canon's own models instead of strengthening the lineup. Price expectations hover in the $3,000, $3,500 range, placing it between discounted R5 units and the more affordable R6 Mark II. That means Canon would need to ensure the R4 delivers something neither of those models can match. Cultural and strategic considerations. Interestingly, where Canon is based, the number 4 is often avoided because it's phonetically linked to the word for death. Some tech companies skip the number entirely in product names, moving straight to 5 or beyond. This could be a reason why we've never seen an R4 before and may never see one at all. Another factor, Canon's usual product cycle includes patent filings, certification leaks, and insider images well before an official launch. So far, none of these have surfaced for the R4, making some industry watchers wonder if this camera is just a fan fantasy rather than a real project in development, myth or future reality. If the Canon EOS R4 does become a reality, it needs to bring at least one disruptive feature to the table. That could mean a groundbreaking cooling system enabling long-form 8K and 4,000 recording without thermal throttling, an ideal hybrid balance of resolution, speed, and price to make it irresistible for both still photographers and videographers, a distinct identity that doesn't overlap too heavily with the R5 or R6, ensuring buyers understand exactly why it exists. Without these, the R4 risks being seen as a spec shuffle rather than a meaningful evolution. Canon might instead introduce a different model name to bypass cultural concerns, and make a clean marketing statement. For now, EOS R4 remains in the realm of rumor. Whether it's a stepping stone in Canon's mirrorless journey, or simply a camera that will never leave the drawing board. One thing is certain: the demand for a versatile, mid-tier hybrid powerhouse is real. And if Canon delivers, it could reshape the brand's place in the competitive full-frame market. What about you? Do you think there's room for a flagship-light Canon mirrorless camera, or is the R4 destined to remain an internet legend? Share your thoughts. The discussion is just as exciting as the camera that might one day emerge.